You ever notice how payday feels like a celebration? Until 3 days later, when you're broke again, Googling how to survive on 27 rupees. It's not just you. Most of us are stuck in the same loop. Get paid. Feel rich. Spend. Panic. Repeat. Let's talk about why this happens, and how to finally break the cycle. First up, lifestyle creep. You were chilling with 30 rupee chai and vada pav last month. Now you're suddenly ordering Starbucks and sushi just because your bank balance has 4 digits. That's lifestyle creep. The more you earn, the more you spend. And it never ends. Second, the fake rich syndrome. You know when you buy something just to feel rich, not because you need it. That new phone, those fancy sneakers, that impulsive Zomato binge at midnight. You're not spending from your wallet. You're spending from your feelings. Big difference. Third, your brain is tricking you. Literally. When you get paid, your brain gets a dopamine hit. Same chemical as when you eat junk food or scroll social media. So you keep chasing that high, not with saving or investing, but by spending. And suddenly, treat yourself becomes cheat yourself. Now let's talk about budgeting. Wait, don't skip. I'm not gonna tell you to make a boring Excel sheet. Here's one rule, the 50/30/20 method. 50% needs, 30% wants, 20% savings, but here's the Gen Z version: spend 50% on vibes and food, 30% on guilt-free dumb decisions, and 20% on not dying broke. Same thing. Just with better branding. Still broke? Let's check your subscriptions. You've got Netflix, Prime, Spotify, Hotstar, and you don't even watch anything. You're basically donating to billionaires. Now look at your food spending. You have food at home. But somehow, you ordered biryani at 1 AM because Swiggy sent you a 20 rupee discount. That's not a deal. That's a trap. And let's not even start on impulse buys. Instagram showed you a meme shirt and boom, you bought it. You wore it once, now it lives in your closet like a ghost of bad decisions. You don't have a money problem. You have an Instagram ads at 2 AM problem. Now here's the twist. You're not broke because you don't earn enough. You're broke because you don't tell your money what to do. If you don't control your money will control you. Want to fix it? Here's the broke theory starter pack. Track everything for 1 week. Write down every single rupee you spend. You'll be shocked. Set guilt-free spend limits. Pick an amount you can blow each month without stress. The rest? Off limits. Start a boring emergency fund, even if it's just 100 rupees a week. That boring fund will save your broke self one day. Automate your savings. Make it so that when money comes in, savings go out, without you thinking. Unfollow temptation. Mute those accounts that make you feel poor every time they flex. And finally, remember this: being broke is not a personality, it's a phase. If you treat it like one, stay broke smart, not broke stupid. Because at Broke Theory, we don't hustle hard, we hustle smart. See you in the next one.